it going, reinventors? Happy Vlogmas. This is the days leading up to December 25th, and in this video series, I'm going to be bringing you 25 things to do after you retire. I'm Amelia, this is Reinventing You. This channel is all about inspiring you so that you can reinvent your life. I want you to live a life of joy, fulfillment, and purpose. I normally post twice a week, but in this instance, during Vlogmas, I'll be posting every day. Now you might say, wait a minute, haven't I already seen this video? Well, I did the same intro in every video for this series. I'm glad that you are here. I retired early from the ministry after 20 years, but it doesn't matter what age you retire. You are probably looking for what are you going to spend your time doing after you have retired, and I want to help you out through my own experience. If you are interested, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the bell. That way you'll be notified when I post new videos. This video is for Vlogmas Day 11. So you're retired, you're no longer working full-time, you don't have the same jobs or responsibilities, you think everything's going to be great, but I bet you anything, you have trouble sleeping. So my tip number 11 is to make sure you get a good night's sleep. Now I did a video recently about getting good night's sleep, and you can see it up here in the cards. It's also in the description below. But getting a good night's rest is going to help you no matter what. If you're reinventing yourself in terms of your physical body, maybe losing some weight or getting in shape after working a career full-time, or you haven't had that chance, getting your sleep is going to help you. If you're making career goals, change in career or change in job, if you're getting more education or learning a new skill set, having a good night's sleep is going to be just, an improvement. If part of your time is working in your garden, getting a good night's sleep is going to give you the energy that you need to do that. Whatever it is that you want to accomplish during retirement, having a good night's sleep is going to make a difference. Now, in the video that I talk about getting a good night's sleep, I talk about making sure you get up at the same time every morning. And I think that's really important in retirement. Even though you may enjoy sleeping late, I recommend getting up even on your day off and getting going every morning. Now, if it's your day off, maybe you get up at the same time, but lounge around in your, pajamas and on the couch watching TV or drinking coffee or reading or whatever it is you enjoy doing. That can be part of your day off, but still go ahead, get up, make your bed, and get going. I just can't tell you how important sleep is. Even after you retire, you still need to get a good night's rest. So check out my video on getting a good night's rest and make sure you're doing it. Hey, and if you need to, put it on your schedule. Getting up at 5 a.m., 6 a.m., 7 a.m., whatever time it is, every single morning. Now, you may not go to bed at the same time every night, but that's up to you on your schedule. I'm just telling you, getting a good night's sleep is going to make a difference in retirement. I hope you've enjoyed this video. In the comments below, let me know what you would suggest doing when you retire or when somebody else retires, or what you hope to do when you retire. And if this video has been helpful for you, guess what? I want you to give me a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Have a great one.